Hi, beautiful people. Today we will be making delicious vegan chocolate frosting with just 5 ingredients. To start off, we will use a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar and then a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, or you can use carob powder if you want to make this paleo. After that, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of cassava flour. You can use tapioca starch if you do not have cassava flour. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. Just a pinch of salt. And now it's time to combine everything thoroughly and properly. Make sure there's no lumps and that everything is completely well combined. The great thing about this recipe is how it has no butter, no oil. It is completely oil-free for you guys. Next, it's time to add in the coconut milk, 1/2 cup. I like to use this Thai brand because it contains just 2 ingredients, coconut milk and water, so very pure and natural. After adding in the coconut milk, then you're going to combine everything again. Make sure it's properly combined. After combining it, then we're going to take it to the stove top on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's completely liquefied, which you will see in a sec. So here you go. It is ready. Our delicious chocolate frosting is ready. You can then keep this in your container of choice to keep in the fridge. And yes, it's ready for all your frosting needs. Whatever you need frosted, it can frost it. I used this for a delicious peanut butter cake and it was so good, guys. Really, really delicious. Just look at that. That's our chocolate frosting. And that's how it looked after keeping it in the fridge. And this is how it looks on the cake. Mmm, so good. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching.